What's up, everybody? Clay with Clear Creek RVs, and I'm here to show you the all-new 322 FKTS by Grand Design. It is fantastic. Starting with the outside, you have all of the same features, the residential style installation, the one-touch auto level, the Lion's Head, no questions asked, 12 months guaranteed on the Goodyear Endurance tires, and lots of other great features that we're going to show you on the inside. Come check it out. So one of the main focal points in the 322 FKTS Reflection by Grand Design is this really nice area, whether it be having breakfast, dinner, lunch, you name it. You can use the work surface, your TV overhead, some overhead cabinets, Furrion, full-size Furrion microwave, 3-burner cooktop stove with the oven underneath. Lots of storage. You got a designated trash can area, dog bowls behind that, and then just a huge amount of surface area for cooking. And just behind the sink itself, you have a really pretty view of your destination, and that's what makes this trailer so great. The first thing you'll notice when you walk in the 322 FKTS Reflection by Grand Design, they've got the Furrion full-size residential style refrigerator, kind of a French door style, really nice refrigerator. The specific reason it's on the left side of the couch is while you guys are traveling to that awesome destination and you need to grab something out of the refrigerator, you don't have to climb over the couch to get it. So really well thought, very intentional piece by Grand Design. Super excited about that. Check out this accent wall. Put your jackets out there on a frigid day like today. Tons of space in the pantry. So you got your Travelify memorabilia there, your pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi service. Tire links in here also for us to get set up for its new owner. And then check out this awesome private suite. It's got east to west bed, lots of overhead storage, some lights over those. You got an end table on that on the right side. And then check out this bathroom. It's unbelievable. You have dual vanity, another huge spot to put clothes, toiletries, you name it. Porcelain toilet, a large shower, and what's really nice about this trailer is you have a spot for an all-in-one washer and dryer too. So if you don't use this, you've got additional storage. You could put tons of clothes in there. So huge shower. I can get in here real easy, and it's just another one of those great features in the all-new 322 FKTS. So come check it out at Clear Creek RVs, 5701 East Highway 80 in Abilene, Texas, or 24 hours, 7 days a week at clearcreekrvs.com.